This is a quick review of this fold-out windscreen that I ordered after being subjected to pretty strong winds last time I went camping and wondering if there was any kind of solution. I'm doing a quick test right here. What I'm doing, the wind was not that strong at home, about 6 miles an hour. I think when I was camping it was like 21, although I might just be pulling that number out of my butt. But anyways, just doing a quick test, seeing how long it takes to boil water without the windscreen versus with the windscreen. So you'll probably see my watch pop up on the screen every few minutes or so. I'm definitely gonna fast forward it because nobody needs to wait that long. So in total, this took about 10 minutes. The water actually didn't even boil. I just got tired of waiting. Figured it should have boiled by then, but 10 minutes was my limit. So we'll see how it works with the windscreen. So roughly 7 minutes with a windscreen, which is significantly better than 10 plus minutes without. So for poops and giggles, I decided to heat up my mocha pot because that's what I always bring with me on my camping trips, and decided to try it out with a windscreen and see how fast it takes to brew something. So roughly a minute and 30 seconds to brew something with a mocha pot. It's not so bad. It's actually, I think, really good. Probably gonna keep it and take it out on a few outings and see how it holds up in, quote, real world conditions. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it.